Hello everybody, this is Tushar Waqt and you're watching Be10x and I'm back again with one more amazing video, and in this video I'm going to actually talk about the new AI tool that has been brought up by Elon Musk. So obviously you all know Elon Musk, that his way of presentation, his way of pitch, his way of tone, his style, his way of presenting each and everything has a sense of humor in it, and it kinds of sound a bit sarcastic if you notice it from the very starting point. So this AI tool is actually going to be working in a way that how Elon Musk is actually in his personal lifestyle. So what this AI tool is all about?
ChatGPT सीखना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। AI टूल सीखना है, आ जाओ बॉस, वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
So if I just let you know, about the AI tool. So the AI tool is specifically been made as per the Twitter's perspective. So why do I say that it is made from the Twitter's perspective? Why is it specifically made for Twitter only? So there are multiple factors, and the reason behind this when I say it is for Twitter's perspective. The first is when you just go to this AI and if you just ask, act as a Tanmay Bhatt or sound like an Elon Musk tweet, make a tweet like how Akshay Kumar makes. So you can do a lot of things with this AI tool, and not just that, you can actually, even if you go and ask for suppose how to make something, it might be a food, it might be a drug, it might be anything, it will be actually giving you a step-by-step process. It doesn't matter if it includes a valuable thing or it includes an invaluable thing. It actually includes this sense of humor, and what makes it unique is the data set. So basically Twitter has a lot of information in this. So whenever you feel like there's something going on in your mind, it might be a problem, it might be a hurdle, it might be an obstacle, it might be anything, you just go to the Twitter and you just launch your thoughts there, and you just kept on keep on banging your information and all of your thoughts on Twitter. So basically this Twitter's AI tool will actually be working on behalf of someone, X person. And just because of this Elon Musk new evolution, you will actually be able to make tweets, make follow-ups, and do a lot of stuff with this AI tool. And among all the other AI tools, like just how ChatGPT, this Claude, this Google Bard, this Microsoft Bing is working, this is among the one AI tool which has been brought up by Elon Musk. But obviously, it brings a lot of curiosity and it brings a lot of excitement for when I personally talk about this Grok AI. So let me just show you that which AI tool is it and what I am talking about. So basically, this is the tool which is Grok AI. X, formerly it was known as Twitter, but now it has been known as X. So this is the conversational AI for understanding the universe. So participation in the early access program is currently limited to verified users only. So if I am a verified user, obviously I will be able to access to this. Just because I'm not a verified person, I'm not been able to access to this. But if I just let you know the privacy policy and the terms of use, let me just go one by one. So what is the privacy policy and what are the things that you can actually do? It just collects your personal basic information like how the normal Twitter account does. But if you really want to understand that how is it working, what is the efficient way, that what are the things that you can do with the help of this AI tool, then I was just going through reel made by Tanmay Bhatt, and with which I got to know few things. Just listen to what Tanmay Bhatt say.
Has launched a new AI. This will tell you how to make cocaine step by step. What do you think about this? In classic Elon style, he said the AI that we launch is going to have a sense of humor and that kind of stuff. And it has Twitter data for it to train, and it has real-time Twitter info that you can also scroll through, which I think is a one huge advantage.
So did you notice it is saying that it has a real-time Twitter data? So basically, if you just want to go and check that what Joe Biden is doing right now, what Joe Biden has just posted very recently, so you don't need to go to the Twitter and search for his account and then, search for that particular post or feed. So you can obviously go and write like what Joe Biden has tweeted very recently or how Joe Biden is doing. A lot of things can be done. So it actually works as per the real-time information. Let's listen more what else it can do.
Right? Like if I go and ask for saying, hey, what did Joe Biden do today? It will actually be able to tell you, unlike what GPT does, unlike what Claude does, who have to scrape the web.
There's a Google paper that came out today that said that LLMs generalize to the data set they are trained on and very little outside of the data set. It's all about the data set. And Twitter has always been these nuggets of information, right? Obviously, it's a lot of toxic sewage as well, but you have a banger thought, you'll go put it on Twitter. And I think that's what makes it a good data set. If you want to say, talk like Tanmay Bhatt, this is probably the best model because it's been trained on all your tweets. So it'll sound like your tweet. That is what I'm most excited about. I think there is value in this being like a character AI. We like talk like Elon, talk like Tanmay, talk like Varun. Yeah, Elon.
Did you notice? So obviously you can actually go and train your X AI Grok tool where you can just ask your AI tool to talk like Tushar, talk like your personality, talk like Shah Rukh Khan, talk like Akshay Kumar. might be any of the personality. So this AI tool is going to bring an insane impact in the ground level, and it can be a revolutionary tool, just like how ChatGPT was in the latest 2023. So we are pretty excited about this. If you are a premium user, if you're a verified user of Twitter, you can actually go and access to this thing. But before proceeding ahead, I would like to let you know that if you are someone who really wants to get adapted with the AI technology, see, personally, I would be saying that AI is a new way of working, and it is bringing a revolutionary change in the market. And you have to remember, you have to consider that AI is a thing which is not replacing human being, but yes, a person using AI can easily replace another person. There's a very straight and a very, clarified reason. The reason is pretty simple, that if I am being adapted with the AI technology and if someone else is not getting adapted with the AI technology, so obviously I will be able to do multiple tasks at a very limited period of time. I will be consuming a very small period of time, but the amount of creativity, the amount of output, and the amount of productivity that I can do with the help of AI tools, it is something which the person who is not using AI will not be able to do so. It is just like, if I just give you an example, there was a time when people used to ride the bullock cart. So it doesn't mean that when vehicles came up, when the engines started making up, the driver, the driver's job is completely out of the door. So previously it was something like you should be knowing how to ride a horse, how to ride a bullock cart, but now you should be knowing how to ride a car, how to drive a truck. It's just about the technology. So similarly, as the time is evolving, you have to understand that you have to get adapted with the way of and the style of working. So AI is the new futuristic way of working. To get adapted with the AI technology, if you are still not sure about how to get adapted with the AI technology, then let me tell you that this is a workshop happening by Be10x team itself. Do remember that before I tell you about this workshop, I'm not here actually to sell this workshop, but it is something that you should be knowing about, because this is just happening for the rupees of 9. Just 9 rupees, you will be able to get a 3 hours live workshop where you will actually able to learn that how to use AI tools. And the things that you want to learn in this workshop is something like how to use AI tools for LinkedIn, how to use AI tools for Microsoft Excel, how to use AI tools for building presentations, how to use AI tools for interview skills, and how to use AI tools for report building, for research, and how to use AI tools for coding and programming, all those stuffs. And apart from that, if I talk about few bonuses, you will be able to get 800 plus customizable PPT templates, and a ebook on time management, which will obviously be helpful for you, and a few implement productivity hacks. And all these things, if I say personally, that obviously at just 9 rupees, you're not going even to be getting a chai at this time. So do remember that this is just a very small investment on yourself, but actually you will be starting, on how to get adapted with the AI technology. Yeah, how to get started. So AI is something you should be knowing about if you are a person who is doing a job, if you're a student, if you're a content creator, if you're a businessman, you might be in any other field. Do remember that this is something that you should be knowing. So the link is given in the description below if you want to check out the link. The link is be10x.in/AI. The link is the description below. Go check it out and enroll for it. And I'm pretty sure that you will be loving this workshop. And if I get back to the topic, so this is something, the Grok AI, which I'm pretty excited about. Let's see how this AI tool is going to be. I'll be making sure that I make one more video and I'll let you know that how this AI tool actually works. So this was all about this video. I hope you found the video useful. If yes, then let me know by liking this video. And also let me know that what kind of AI tools do you use on your daily basis to, actually enhance your productivity in the comment section below, so that even I'll be able to know a few of your AI tools. And if possible, I'll try to, cover up and make few videos on it also. Thank you for staying with Be10x. This was Tushar. I wrap up this video. Bye-bye.